Your iPhone is stuck while upgrading or downgrading to iOS 26. It might be stuck on a white screen or during the update process. In this case, recovery mode can help you resolve the issue. Today, I'll show you 2 simple ways to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Let's get started. Before we begin, why do you need recovery mode? When your iPhone fails to complete an update or restore, gets stuck on the Apple logo screen, or displays the Connect to Computer screen, recovery mode allows your computer to safely reinstall iOS, restoring your iPhone to normal. Okay, let's begin. Method 1, manually entering recovery mode. This method works for iPhone 8 and later models. First, connect your iPhone to your computer. On your computer, open the Finder, iTunes, or Apple Devices app. Now, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side button. Even if you see the Apple logo, continue holding the side button. Release it only when you see the Connect to Computer screen. At this point, the computer will detect the iPhone in recovery mode and offer options to update or restore the device. Method 2, use Gbyte to enter recovery mode. This method is perfect for you if your buttons are broken or unresponsive. I will use Gbyte to enter recovery mode. Click the link in the comments to download Gbyte and install it on your computer. Then connect your iPhone to your computer using a data cable. Open Gbyte and click Enter Recovery Mode. It's that simple. In just a few seconds, your iPhone will automatically enter recovery mode without you pressing any buttons. Exiting recovery mode is just as simple. Just one click is all it takes. Once in recovery mode, you can also use Gbyte standard repair functions to fix issues such as infinite reboots, freezes, or random crashes. By the way, Gbyte is a professional iOS repair tool trusted by millions of users worldwide. It can fix over 150 iOS system problems. It also offers one-click backup and restore functionality to ensure your data security. That's all for today. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.